welcome back to my channel. My name is Lex. Hi, hello. Oh man, my man calling me. Hold on. Hair is so hot, you guys. Going forward, you guys, like, I'm gonna just have to, y'all just don't get my intros from like me in the car, like, or I don't even know, because that's the only time I really have like downtime, me time, or whatever. So yeah, I'm Lex. Hey, hi, hello. Welcome to my channel. I already said that. Don't know what we're about to do, but I know what I need to do. I need to get some lip gloss. I don't even know why I did that, but yeah, I don't know what we're about to get into, but let's get into it. I just lost my top. Jesus. This is probably just gonna be like a, what is a montage? I need to look that up. Say hi to your vlog. Say hi. Say hi. He's like, Mom, what are you doing? Alright guys, I finished all of my dishes. Like I said, it wasn't that many, but I like to stay on top of things so that it doesn't get piled up. Blaze said, what's up? Hi. Hi. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, you guys. It's Lex. If you're new here, welcome. Hey girl, hey boy, hey y'all. What up? It's your girl Lex, and I am a full-time Cricut crafter, stay-at-home mom. More on that later. This video, it will be my October reset. So a lot has gone on. I have been like, sorry, Blaze is literally right here, you guys. What a way to start my intro. But yeah, you guys, I have been away. I have not been as consistent. I do apologize, but that is going to change. So without further ado, let's get into this vlog / October reset, and let's get to it. Let's get reset. Let's get organized. Let's just do all the things, okay? But yeah, y'all, I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you guys comment below. Make sure you guys like this video if you haven't already. You know what to do. Subscribe to your girl and turn on those post notifications so that way you know when I know that I posted, because I don't know. Okay. Love you. Bye. I really hope these clothes come out like white. Like, I added a shit ton of bleach to this. It's like all the whites plus like, it already came out clean already. These freaking socks. These kids and these damn socks. Y'all want the white socks. Y'all want the white Nike socks, because y'all don't want to keep them clean. Anyways, but yeah, I really hope these come out white, so let's hope. Welcome to the vlog. Welcome to my life. Welcome to me trying to get my life. Alright. All this freaking laundry I need to fold today. Yay. I'm just trying to sweep, and you just gonna sit there and be in the way. Word. Just trying to sweep and record, and you're in the way. This is gonna be my version of a reset. Like, everyone's reset is different, you know what I'm saying? So like, yeah, this is mine. Hello, hi, welcome. Hey guys, so it's not like much later, but it's later. So but yeah, you guys, it's a little bit later. I'm just going to hang up my boyfriend's work clothes in my daughter's closet, because that's where we have the most space right now. And stay tuned, because I want to redo that Christmas tree wreath thing. Christmas time is coming, so this was super duper far ahead, but yeah, Dollar Tree has started pulling out some of their Christmas stuff, but not all of their Christmas stuff. But as soon as they do, I will make a video on how I made out of the Dollar Tree Christmas trees. So stay tuned for a remake on that. I literally only made this last year, but some of the holly berries, but the white ones are kind of faded. Y'all can't tell on the camera, but yeah. So stay tuned for the updated video for this one. Hey, can y'all see me? Can y'all see me? This was today's cleaning fit. From probably H&M. Who that say? Who that say? Oh, child, that's probably City Trends or Rainbow. It's probably City Trends, because I ain't been a Rainbow like that for real. But yeah, you guys, and then my Under Armour shorts, not too much on the belly. Skinny girls have pledges too, so yeah, don't come for me if I ain't come for you, you know? Such a good girlfriend. Such a good girlfriend. This is why do we have multiple closets? For this house to actually be kind of small, it's crazy that we have multiple closets. So this is his work closet. I have what used to be my work closet up front, but yeah, and then in our bedroom, obviously, is all of our regular clothes. So yeah, let me go get some more hangers. Hold on, y'all can come with me, I guess. Ooh, that bleach is bleaching. I can smell it. But yeah, the lighting in here is bad because I don't have no lights on. It's just whatever remnants of the natural sunlight. But yeah, so now the last load is in the wash, and then probably pick up something for dinner, and then but yeah, guys, I'm about to literally turn on my favorite YouTuber, a couple of them, and I'm just gonna check back in when I can, you guys. It would have been like stop stalling per usual. I'm not even gonna say tonight. I need to finish this order today. Because I don't even know how I forgot to do an outro, but yeah. This is the outro.